Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to recover My Eyes Only pictures. To start, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once on Snapchat, go to the default and then go ahead and click on Memories. Once you are now on Memories in Snapchat, tap on My Eyes Only and then input your password so that you will be able to see them. In here, enter your Snapchat account password. Then once done, tap on Next. In here, you have to remember, if you forget your passcode, you can no longer access My Eyes Only on Snapchat. In here, create a new passcode and then confirm your passcode. This time, click on Continue. Once the setup is complete, tap on My Eyes Only once again and then input your passcode. And then in here, you will see all your My Eyes Only photos in Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.